Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover gutter replacement cost. What is the cost of replacing your gutters? Now, this is going to vary dramatically depending on the area that you're specifically in throughout the country. Now, pricing usually will vary from $2 all the way up to $12 per foot. The way that they'll price the gutters out is usually by footage of the gutter, or sometimes this is the footage of your gutter. They'll add the footage of the downspouts in, or some will just be whatever the footage of the gutters are. Now, what's going to vary the price per foot on the gutter is how hard the gutters are. Do you have a rancher? One floor, everything's easy to access. Obviously, the pricing is going to be a little different. So sometimes when you say, well, what is the per footage price on gutters? Really, there is no exact per footage price. Some will give that footage price, but the best way to price out a job is to know the job. Is it a rancher? Say you have a total of 120 foot of gutter. It's a rancher, 260 footers. Obviously, that's going to be a lot easier to hang two gutters, one floor, versus a story home with multiple runs throughout the house. So that's what's really going to set the pricing is the type of home that you have, whether it's 1 story, 2 story, 3 story. So the best way to get the best pricing for any gutter installation, whether you're a contractor, you're going to want to know these specific details on the home. It's going to make you sound more professional by asking these questions. Is it a rancher? Is it 2 stories? Is it 3 stories? How many miters does it have? Any bay miters? Do you want a gutter guard? Do you want any other options? These are all going to change the pricing for a gutter installation. So the best bet would be to set up that estimate or have an estimate set up if you're a homeowner. And what I would recommend you do is to get at least 2 to 3 at least quotes from gutter contractors in your area. That's going to be the best way to get the best pricing. Instead of me just saying, well, this is what it's per foot, it's better to do exactly what I said. Get those estimates in, and if you're a contractor, instead of giving an exact statement over the phone on this is what it's going to be to try to get your foot into the door, set up the estimate, get out there, look at the type of job that you're going to be installing the gutters on, and that'll be the best way to price that out. And like I said, for the homeowner, get your multiple quotes, and that will be the best way for you to find out your exact pricing for your area. Hopefully this has answered that question of the exact pricing per foot on a gutter installation. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks a lot.